At Balvanera, sustainability is more than a goal. It is a reality we embrace. We implement our own technologies to electrify efficiently, optimize resources, and reduce our environmental impact. We begin with the cleanest source, the sun. Our solar park generates renewable energy, cutting our carbon footprint and achieving energy independence. Generating clean energy isn't enough. It is essential that we use this energy wisely. Through our MAP system and Electrification X solution, we continuously monitor and optimize our energy consumption in real time, minimizing waste and enhancing operational efficiency. Efficiency is everywhere. We electrify the paint drain and switch to LED lights, reducing energy consumption without compromising quality or safety. Sustainability is our commitment beyond the factory. By installing electric vehicle chargers, we encourage clean mobility options for both employees and visitors. We conserve energy and water through our wastewater treatment plan. We can reuse this vital resource, which helps reduce waste and protect the environment.
When it comes to waste, our goal is clear: zero waste to landfill. We implement recycling and reuse strategies to close the loop on the materials we use.
Our commitment to sustainability and people is being recognized worldwide. Siemens awarded us the 2023 Sustainability Factory Award, and we renewed our ISO 14001 certification for the second year running. Siemens has been recognized as the #1 company by top firms in the category of 500 to 3,000 employees.
Let's consider the future of sustainability for the year 2030. We need to decarbonize our operations, including the canteen and key operational areas like paint, epoxy, and resin, which will be electrified.
At Balvanera, we prove that meaningful technology is key to a sustainable future. What we do here supports our customers in meeting their sustainability goals. Together, we make a difference.